out of that thing. That's how you do it. YouTube family, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. For all my new viewers, man, I want to appreciate you guys for tuning in. On this channel, you can expect to see, you know, car reviews, some car meets, some car mods. I'm gonna bring some of my friends onto the channel. I'm gonna show off their cars on this channel, man. And some Mexico action, maybe just a little bit of that. And also just some crazy random stuff like what we're gonna do today. For my returning viewers, I want to appreciate you guys for rocking with me and supporting me the long way, man. Can't do this without y'all, man. Let's keep this thing going. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, no clickbait or cap on this channel, man. So you see, if you've been following my channel, you know I like to do a lot of POV driving footage for you guys. Like when I do random videos when I'm talking about car news and things like that, I bring the POV out so you guys can come ride with me. But today we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna give you the POV, but I'm gonna also give you the foot cam because my car's a 6-speed. There's a lot going on to make this car do what it do, as far as donuts and all that kind of stuff, man. I think showing y'all what my feet be doing would be pretty interesting. So I'm gonna give you the POV with the foot cam there at the same time so you can get a interesting perspective on what it takes to get this thing doing what it do. So I'm gonna give you some burnouts, donuts, launches, downshifts, the whole nine, man. It's gonna be pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and get in the car and get it rolling. All right, guys, so we are in the car. We're about to have some fun now. We are going to show you all the footwork that happens to make this car do what it do. And this is kind of a how to drive a manual, the advanced version. So I hope you can see my feet. Hopefully my legs are not ashy. If they are, excuse it, man. Hope you can see the pedals. You see everything here. Of course, this is a real deal 6-speed, 3 pedals in this thing. So let's start off with some launches and shifting and things like that. So hold on, forgot to pull parking brake up, guys. So one thing with the manual is a little bit different from when you start from a dig here. So I'm gonna show you a dig with my feet. A dig race just starting from a standstill. So here I go, this is how I do mine. Hopefully you can see everything. So this is, all right, now I'm a downshift for you guys here. All right, so another thing here. So if I'm rolling, this is gonna be called like a roll race. So if I'm rolling here, I'm on the highway, I need to downshift. So this is how I'm a downshift here. That's a little downshift. So another thing here, let's say you're driving, right? You're driving and you gotta do a U-turn, right? You're sitting here, you gotta do a U-turn. So what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna turn my car complete 180 the other way. It's gonna be hard to describe what I do because a lot of it is instinct. So hopefully you can follow along with my hands and what my feet are doing. You just want to give it enough gas to flip the car around, but not too much gas where you keep it spinning. So this is a U-turn. This is how I do it. So I'm gonna put in the first here. I'm gonna brake the rear end, not brake it, but brake traction. I'm gonna flip the wheel really hard, get it, turn around, I'm gonna head the other way. So this is how it's gonna look. That's how that looks. I didn't do it as perfectly as I wanted to, but y'all see it, y'all see the concept. So I'll show y'all that again. I'm gonna do that one more time here. Do that one more time because I kind of messed it up a little bit. So you gotta get enough gas to flip it around and you want to get on out of there. So I'm gonna flip it around here, do a little clutch kick. That's how you do it right there. And get up out of that thing. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. All right, so the big dog thing here, man. So we're gonna go up here. So what this, we're gonna call this one, so this is a burnout. The best way to do a burnout is in second gear because you got a lot of wheel speed and it doesn't top out as fast. So I'm gonna go to second gear. I'm gonna do a straight line burnout and let you see how that looks. So all we do, put in second gear, we're gonna dump it and we're gonna go. Well, that didn't work out. Well, that did not work out as well. So we're actually gonna return. We're actually gonna do it like this. We're gonna go into first gear and do it. So, burnout. You stopped here. Okay. Hold on. So here we go. First gear burnout. And then you can do it like this. And then you can flip it. Donut. 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 That's how you do a donut. Okay. You want to slide that thing? Let's slide it. So slide, we're gonna do a little bit. Slide it. I'm doing a little donut here. Let's swing this thing, baby. Yes, sir. That's how you do that thing. Woohoo! I think that's all I can show y'all today, man. I think that's all I can show y'all. All right, guys, let's go wrap up today's video. I did not do all these tire marks. These were here before I got here, man. Appreciate you watching the video. I had fun doing this one, man. I just needed an excuse to do a burnout on camera again. So if you liked it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. We're going to catch you on the next one. We're out. Cut it.